In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect keywords for Google Ads. Let's dive right in to ensure your campaigns are as effective as possible. First, head over to Google Ads by typing in the URL in your browser. This platform is essential for reaching new customers and boosting your sales through online advertising. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a button that says Sign In. Click on that to access your account. If you don't have an account already, you'd need to create one, but today we're focusing on existing accounts to pinpoint the right keywords. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your central dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your campaigns. From here, look towards the upper part of the page for a menu option labeled Tools and give it a click. The Tools section is packed with features to enhance your advertising strategy, and today our focus will be on keyword planning. Next, within the Tools section, find and select the Planning subsection. Planning is crucial in the advertising world. It's where you strategize and set the stage for your campaigns. Under Planning, you'll see an option for Keyword Planner. This tool is invaluable for identifying the words and phrases that potential customers might use to find services like yours. Now that you've accessed the Keyword Planner, let's explore how you can leverage its research features. This tool allows you to search for new keyword ideas and see how they might perform. You can input words or phrases related to your business, or even enter your website URL to generate ideas. Take your time exploring these suggestions. You'll see data on average monthly searches, competition levels, and the suggested bid amount. These insights help you decide which keywords are worth targeting, ensuring your ads are shown to the right audience. As you go through this process, remember to focus on keywords with a balanced volume and competition. High volume means more searches, but high competition can often mean higher costs. Finding that sweet spot is key to optimizing your ad spend. And there you have it. With these steps, you're equipped to find the perfect keywords for your Google Ads campaigns. This approach will help you target effectively, reach a broader audience, and ultimately drive more sales. Don't forget to check back on your campaigns regularly to fine-tune your keyword strategy, as trends and search behaviors can change over time. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.